Voice of the People's Party ke badang syudap tau seng temai hamin kalaya kala penlengok ya ki babon naba kala job da South Ligi Syuki nagi kat prat Ligi Constituency ba kaya kun. Ki sangut ki kertong ki bela job akan ka seng nak ka seng kilong iba Arden Miller basaya moj ubala penrem ya kertong ka seng UDP uba alambor mangyang da 1,000 ribu pravot. Uba adalbat nongrung ula job na North Shillong da ka penrem ya kertong ka BJP uba M Kharkrang. Uba Bright Star Well marbenyang na maulai uba Heaving Stone Karpran na maurang keneng. Habakran bagi nong thok khobor uba Arden ulaang bakiwe ki seng san perthei ki bahe kila ken ben ya ke VVP bat kimsham poi perkhat baka VPP kan job hadu South Lake Syuki.
We know, especially the mainstream, they undermine the VPP. They didn't expect us because they thought that we will win only 2-3 seats. But for us, it is not a surprise. In fact, we expect more than this.